Hi guys, Shadow Scribe here, and in this video I just want to touch on drawing using references. And with this one today, we're just going to do a Chun Li demo and show how I would draw her using these references from these other stock photos that I found on Pinterest. So basically I'm taking the one in the top right corner, well not corner but in the top right, and using that style of her stretching because I like her tracksuit that Chun Li has. So I kind of wanted to take that and use that same pose there and try and I don't know, try to make like draw the pose and still use Chun Li. That's why I have the picture of Chun Li over in the corner because I want to make sure that we kind of get the proportions sort of similar, and also after we get this silhouette kind of mapped out, we want to go ahead and put the clothing, appropriate clothing there. But right now what I'm doing is just doing a little bit of like silhouette first. So I don't really do a lot of drawing out at first in the opening stages. I like to go ahead and get the silhouette in first, try to get the shape of everything right before I would lower the opacity and then come back and draw over top of the silhouette and everything like that. But I just want to show how I approach if I really like a pose. And then I was like, oh wow, this character might look really cool with doing this pose, especially if I kind of already envision it in my mind, but I just need a little bit of reference to help map it out a bit. And for the other one, we can do two poses. So for this other one, it's her arm, stretching her arm, and that one is going to I'm trying to do that one as well, but also trying to stay true to the things that we know to be true about Chun Li. Like she has some really huge thighs. So in this one, I'm trying to make the thighs purposely. I'm trying to make the thighs a bit bigger than the rest of than what they appear to be in the reference photo. And also, you see how I kind of didn't give enough room for her arm to really be extended. So what I end up doing is kind of extending the canvas a bit, and then just drawing her arm out at full length. But what I really wanted to do is just really drive home that Chun Li big legs, like slimmer waist type build that she has, athletic build. This is part one, and I'm going to do a couple more parts, but I think this is going to be a fun little demo. Anyway, I think that's going to be it for right now, and I'll be back again with the other parts of this video. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.